JuJu's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama JuJu crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
This is a cute little drop envelope. It's got sari silk tie on the back of it, and I did connect it there. Let's get your kicks on Route 66 on the back. It is 5.5. I seem to like that size. By 8 and 7/16, almost a half. Open her up, and she's got a pocket here. It's got a little piece of vellum and a journaling card. It's a pocket here that needs a tag. It's got rose here. It's got a motorcycle journaling card that, and a flip out that has a journaling spot on it. That's too big for that one. That's why it was here. It has a road tire design that I did. And then you flip over and you have, this is a junk mail envelope, and it has, can you see that? It has, why I'm so nervous. It has texture paste through stencil here. It's a window here. You open it up, and it has a journaling card in it, and it has the old 8 cassette player tape closure, and it just slides right up in the hole there to hold that closed. And then the back is a tuck spot where you can put your journaling pieces, and this is, I think, one of Dawn's kits. And then you do it that way, her little traveling kit. It says enjoy the journey journaling card, and then it has a sweet little crystal bead there, dangle. And then here is a little cluster that has a little wooden butterfly. This has a cute little bead dangle there. This one is a junk mail envelope that I covered up, and it has a little bird journal card on it. It's so sweet with some little collaging on the back. And in the center is that gorgeous motorcycle. Get your kicks. That's what we're going to call this one, getting your kicks. Wander the path unknown. I need to make another one of these. These are cute. And then the back has, on this one it has the belly band made from the clear, I think it's white. Yeah, that's white, but it looks blue with the thing. It's cool. And then it has the cluster in the middle. Well, I haven't been saying how many pages is in it, and then that's the back of it. Oh, I have to put the page number in the design because I ain't been counting and I don't know. I just make them. 32 pages. So that is a cute little thing. Oh my gosh, so that's get your kicks.